everyone. Good afternoon to my new family, East West Bank. Maraming salamat. Thank you for joining us today.
That's very good. That deserves a round of applause. Palakpakan po natin. What a beautiful partnership. Congratulations, Donnie. How about we take a seat and relax a little bit? Because of course...
Sit back and relax.
Exactly. Makakatulog tayo dito. No. But thank you for being with us. And again, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Grabe, ganda naman ng setup natin ngayon. Ay, hello po sa inyo lahat. Sobrang chill lang, parang yung easy way up, di ba?
Exactly. Tapos talagang lumapit talaga sila dito para makarelax sila with you. But Donnie, again, congratulations to you. We're doing a quick catch-up, a Q&A here because I know I'm curious and I know everyone else here is very curious about this great partnership for you. You're a very busy guy. You're achieving a lot of things like Sir Jerry has mentioned earlier. Baka gusto mo din.
Alam mo, ganyan tayo.
Pwede naman tatayo ako para ma-embody mo talaga yung campaign. But, you know, you are doing many things for yourself and congratulations on this one. I'm very curious though, bakit? So, why did you decide to go with this partnership with East West Bank? And of course, the Easy Way app. Maybe you could share it with everyone.
Well, first of all, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. As many people might know, one of my biggest advocacies or the stuff that I believe in is that we should spread financial literacy. And not just financial literacy, but also access. Access, because a lot of people aren't so used to easy access and convenience, especially for the youth. So, of course, that goes hand in hand with East West Bank's advocacy as well, to spread awareness of financial literacy. And I think for this generation who is always on the go, it is super important to have something that is super simple, super easy to use, super convenient, and I think that goes hand in hand again with the Easy Way app. For me naman, syempre, ako rin, yung schedule ko ngayon, I think it should be part of my daily routine to have something that I don't need to be stressed about, and something that I know I have control about my own finances. It's not just something that's easy to use, but it's something that I know I control and I have a say over.
Like you said, may access talaga. You know you can be the one yourself to figure it out and do whatever needs to be done.
Yes. So when I found out, obviously, that East West Bank has the same advocacy, and whenever I have the chance to do something that could hopefully change the way a generation thinks or equip people with tools that could help them, not just for the young generation, but for all walks of life. And I had to be a part of this. So thank you so much, East West.
It's really the perfect partnership, I have to say. And it's such a great message to push as well, especially for your fans, for the people who look up to you. It's such a great thing for us to share with the youth, but also to all Filipinos, because of Pilipinas, sometimes we're quite used to the difficult things. So something so easy is quite difficult to believe at first. But if we just did put it out there and we tell them that no, this is actually something that you can access easily and you can do, you can change your life.
Exactly, because sometimes people just don't know, like I didn't know it was even possible to sign up for a credit card on the app itself. Because before, diba, ang dami kailangan ng forms, you have to talk to someone on the phone, you have to wait in line for so long, hindi mo alam kung ma-accept ko yung application or anything. But here, it's all in front of you on your phone. So, hindi ako aware of that.
Yeah.
So, just small stuff like that, it goes a long way and it makes a big difference.
I agree. And so we touched on it a little bit. We know now why you chose this partnership, and we know a little bit about what you've kind of learned ever since working on the campaign. Are there any other things that you have taken to heart ever since you started working with the Easy Way app?
Well, first of all, yung buong campaign namin was such a fun shoot because the whole team was amazing. Everyone was super cool. I really felt na very chill na lahat. Parang yung app din itself. So that was a great start, shooting it. So I actually had a meeting recently with my East West Bank team, and we went through a lot of stuff. Like they taught me the tools that I could use. I also went through the app. I have it on both my phones, and I was playing around with it and seeing all the convenient tools that I could use every day, the fact that you could open like time deposits and stuff. Ang dami kasi pwedeng gawin talaga.
Parang kanina with Sir Harvey when he was showing us, diba?
Yeah.
There's so many things to do. It's very simple, very easy. Pero ang dami mo pwedeng gawin, ang dami mo pwedeng ma-accomplish with just literally what you've been saying.
Yes,
Just
exactly.
use your
Sit
phone.
back and relax.
Yeah.
So I got my credit card already. I actually showed it kanina sa kanila. Tapos, meron din akong personal savings account. So, even me, myself, I'm also learning every day. And I love the fact that as the app matures and as days go by, there are more tools and more upgrades that will come, and I'm just so excited to see that too.
So it's really, for anyone who has already downloaded the app or will be downloading the app, really just explore and figure out how you can use this technology and what East West has given us to make your life that much easier. So we have that. Now, we all know, I think most of the people here are quite aware that in your family, you also really grew up being very forward with financial literacy, making sure that your views on handling your finances have always been there. So what are some of those experiences that you actually gained that you really want to impart with everyone? And how does the Easy Way fit into all of that today?
Okay, so I grew up in a family. The man of the house, my dad, is actually here.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out. Ano yan? Palagpakan naman natin.
Yes.
Ayan. Actually, he used to do talks with East West Bank. So East West Bank is actually part of our family. It's been part of our history for quite some time. So I'm so happy that it goes, round and round back to where we all started. But I'm just so happy that he's here today also because, growing up in a household wherein the head is a motivational speaker and a businessman and all these things, it's kind of hard not to get to be a part of this whole financial literacy and advocacy and stuff like that, and controlling your money, your savings, knowing what percentage goes here, how much you should save, how much you should invest. So I think at a very young age, us siblings, even when you would be given snacks.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, we're given a snack. Even if he knows that he can give all three of us or all four of us, depending how many we were at that time. So we grew a lot. We're 5 siblings. He knows that he has to instill that, okay guys, here's one, let's say, cinnamon swirl. You guys have to each have one piece. And you have to talk amongst yourselves how you're gonna share it. Yung mga ganun. So growing up, we would have those advices, and I remember the first time I opened my savings account. I think I was 13 years old. I had a debit account, personal savings, I forgot what it was. And then I was so excited because I had a card.
Yeah.
And every time I would see my friends spend with a card, sobrang na-alo ako.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganung mode of payment. So when I had my own card, I was so excited to use it. But I vividly remember my parents sitting me down and telling me, Donnie, for every thing you're gonna make, especially in the future, you have to have a list of the percentages in which you're gonna put it in. So it was very important that, for example, we came up with a list when I was young, 10% goes to giving, 10% goes to saving, or 20% goes to saving, 10% goes to investing.
Yeah.
So all these things, until we came up with, a habit already of knowing that whenever something comes in,
It became part of
it became second nature.
Yes.
So now that for me, it's kind of in a bigger scale already.
Right.
It's very much connected to the Easy Way app because now I know that anything that enters when I see it in my phone, then I'll know exactly where to put it on the app. And I'll know okay, this isn't how much I can spend now, this isn't how much I should be saving, this isn't how much I should be investing. So those small things growing up really made a big impact on my life. So nice, it's nice that's here.
Thank you, Dad.